Hello, students. In today's lesson, we'll talk about has been, have been, and had been. In English, has been, have been, and had been are auxiliary verbs used in perfect continuous tenses. They help to convey the duration and continuity of actions over time. Let's begin. First, we have has been and have been. They belong to present perfect continuous tense. Has been used with singular third person subjects he, she, it, while have been is used with first person singular and plural I, we, second person you, and third person plural they. So, when to use them? The present perfect continuous tense indicates actions that began in the past and continue into the present or were recently ongoing. Let's begin with has been. Examples. He has been working at the company for 5 years. The action working started in the past and is still ongoing in the present. She has been feeling better lately. Her improved health started in the recent past and continues. It has been raining all day. The rain started earlier today and is still happening now. The cat has been sleeping on the couch. The sleeping started earlier and continues. Let's move to have been. Examples. I have been reading this book for a week. The action, which is reading, began a week ago and continues up to now. They have been traveling since last month. The traveling started last month and they are still traveling. We have been learning Spanish for 3 months. The learning started 3 months ago and is still in progress. We have been discussing the issue for hours. The discussion started hours ago and is ongoing. Now let's move to had been. It belongs to the past perfect continuous tense. In which subjects are we going to use had been? Had been is used with all subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. So, where are we going to use this one? The past perfect continuous tense describes actions that were ongoing in the past before another past action occurred. Let's look at these example sentences. He had been studying for hours when his friend called. The studying was consent and happened before the call. They had been living in Paris before they moved to London. Living in Paris was an ongoing action completed before moving. I had been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes when it finally arrived. The waiting was ongoing before the bus's arrival. We had been working on the projects when the power went out. The work was ongoing before the power outage. Always remember, has been and have been are used to describe actions that started in the past and continue to the present. Has been is for singular subjects, he, she, it. Have been is for I, we, you, they. Adverbs commonly used with the perfect continuous tenses. Since, for, how long, all day, night, morning, my life, year, lately, recently. Had been is used for actions that were ongoing before another past action. Had been is used for all kinds of subjects. Always remember, these forms help to convey the duration and continuity of actions over different time periods. Now it's quiz time. What you have to do is just choose the correct form to complete the sentences. Number 1. She cooking when the guests arrived. A. Has been. B. Have been. C. Had been. The correct answer had been. Had been is used because the action cooking was ongoing in the past before another past event, which is the arrival of the guest. Number 2. I feeling ill since yesterday. A. Has been. B. Have been. C. Had been. The correct answer is letter B. Have been. Have been is used for first person singular to indicate the action started in the past and continues to the present. Number 3. They working here for several years. A. Has been. B. Have been. C. Had been. The correct answer is have been. Have been is correct as the subject they is plural and the action is ongoing. Number 4. Before the team scored, they trying for hours. Has been, have been, had been. The correct answer is had been because it indicates the action was ongoing before another past action, which is scoring. Number 5. He waiting for you all morning. A. Has been, B. Have been, C. Had been. The correct answer is has been. Has been is used for the third person singular subject he for an ongoing action. How many correct answers did you get? Now your task is make a sentence using has been, have been, and had been. Hope you've learned something. Thank you. Bye.